how to find someone's Instagram account by photo. Now, have you ever come across a photo on the internet, maybe a meme, a picture of a person, or something you're curious about, and you wanted to find out if it's posted on Instagram? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a simple 100% working method to find someone's Instagram account using just the photo. So, if you so imagine if you have a photo and want to see if it's connected to an Instagram account. This could be a picture you've seen on social media or maybe even a person's profile photo and you're wondering if they have an Instagram account attached to it. One of the best ways to do is by using Google's image search. Here's how it works. You upload the photo into Google and Google will search the web for similar images and websites that use it. Just tap on Google image search. And here simply you need to upload the images to Google Images. Once you upload the photo, Google will show you a list of websites where that image appears or similar image from across the internet. And that's it. That's how you can use Google's reverse image search to find someone's Instagram account with just a photo.